Yeah, hello guys. This is a Smart PS90 610 electric log splitter, and I'm going to do a mod for you today, and I'm going to show you, work along with you. We're going to be installing this electric foot switch on it, and I will enclose the part numbers and the information how to get it. So hang tight and follow along with us, and we'll get this started here directly. Thank you. Yeah, hello guys. This is Drone Effects here. I did a review on this thing here, and I was talking about holding this button in and holding the lever so you're on the hand free. Well, I'm going to show you how to do a conversion using, I got it right here as a matter of fact. Real simple. Harbor Freight, $14. Well, it's $15.80. You see, it's all 110, but it's really simple. And the nice thing about it is, don't screw with your warranty. Because see, it's a 110 outlet, and there's a plug in there to plug the splitter in. So we're going to get started here, and you guys can watch along with me and learn how to do this. So just like I just did. It's really simple. Take you about 5 minutes at the most, and let me get the camera set up, then we'll get going here. Okay, if you notice this box here, okay, then you got your button. This normally you have to hold this button down and push this lever down to split a log. Well, I like to have a hand free, so what we're going to do, I'm kind of cheating because I've already did it, but we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you what I did. Take these screws out. There's 6 of them. So you need a screw gun with a Phillips bit, basically, or you can use a screwdriver. I prefer to use this because I like screwing around. Let's see here. We'll pull that off there. I don't really want to lay this on its side to do this. Excuse my arm, just because. So I'm going to set that there out of the way. And right in here, oh, there's a capacitor, but we're not going to mess with that. That's fine. We're going to pull this piece off. Is all we got to do. And I've already modified this, so I'm just going to take it apart and I'm going to show you what I did. All right, we'll pull this out. This is the big switch. If you notice on the bottom side here, there's a set of connectors right here that are not hooked up now. The 2 blacks were here, okay? I mean, there's a black, there's a white, and there's a black here. What I did is I moved them all up to this set of screws, the black and white, so they're all here now. So that means if we plug this in, it'll run all the time. So that's what I've done. The next thing we're going to do, once you move these wires here, and there's all you need is a straight blade screwdriver and a Phillips to do it. Okay, then we're going to put that back in there. Once you've done that mod, okay, then we're going to tighten this up like so. That's where these channel locks come into play. That way you can tighten this up a little bit. Just like that. Then we just kind of put our capacitor back in. Once you've done that, because when we get done here, I'll show you what's going to happen. We'll stuff the capacitor back in there. It's like so. Make sure you put your box on, your cover on the right way so you can see your writing. That way, if you ever had trouble with this, just put them 2 wires back down on the switch where they were, and you'll never know. We're going to put them on there. We'll put that on there. Got 6 screws here, obviously. Like so. just like that. Now I have an extension cord here, right here. You'll see it. There's both ends. The green is my cord, and this is to the splitter. We're going to plug this in. Watch what happens. See, it's running. It's running all the time. See? Okay. Now then, we get our nifty little switch here. We plugged the splitter into it. Then we plug this other end into our extension cord. See? Now it's not going to run. The minute you put the pedal, just like that. That gives you a hand-free operation. You just use your foot then to work to turn it on and off. And this was $15.80 at Harbor Freight. Right here it is. Let's see here, we just squeeze it. It runs. Release it, it shuts off. So you use your foot on it. And yeah, $15 for it. And like I said, I did a review on this, and that's one thing I didn't like. I think the lawyers were got involved when they made this, but yeah, right there it is. Right there's the pedal. There's your plug-in to plug the splitter into, and you got a cord on the other end of it. So yeah, I just thought I'd put this out there. Really simple mod, so that you don't have to deal with holding this button down. Normally you got to hold this button in, then work the lever, so where your hands not, you ain't no free hands. This way now I can set the log and adjust the log as I need it, and which will work better for me. So anyway guys, thought I'd just put this quick video out there for you. And if you guys got one of these, this is a Smart PS90, a 6-ton electric log splitter, and it's a pretty good little outfit. I'll try more. I'll tell you more about it because I'm going to do I'm going to try it out this next week up north. So, but thanks guys for listening in, and if you're new to my channel, can you please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates? And you never know, I may do some other mods to show you guys. So thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.